at Concordia University happens here, at many of the labs spread across Loyola campus, far from local stakeholders. However, including local knowledge can provide valuable socioeconomic and environmental data while enabling communities to participate more actively in the decision-making of sustainable practices. Dr. Fraser's lab focuses on conservation of freshwater fish by studying ecology, evolution, and genetics. Throughout his 14 years at Concordia, Dr. Fraser has been passionate about science communication, and he is currently a project leader for fostering indigenous small-scale fisheries for health, economy, and food security, otherwise known as FISHES. This unique framework combines genomics and fisheries science with local indigenous knowledge to approach socioeconomic challenges in fisheries in northern Canada. By monitoring harvested fish populations, FISHES aims to assist in the sustainable development of fisheries that can drive employment and reduce food security in northern communities.
Dr. Robert Wagi's lab is currently establishing a long-term research program in Cameroon, Central Africa. For Dr. Wagi, the two main goals of involving local communities are inclusivity and knowledge sharing. Moreover, the purpose of employing local people for conservation projects is also to show them that conservation can benefit their community, even if conservation strategies may come with human activity restrictions.
Dr. Nicholas Smith is a new professor at Concordia studying the impacts of global change on marine environments in the Bahamas. Having grown up in the Bahamas herself, Dr. Smith is passionate about disseminating her findings to the community in order to bring about tangible change. During her research, Dr. Smith presents her work to a wide range of audiences, including the United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization, and is active on social media and local media outlets. At Concordia, Dr. Smith plans to continue involving the Bahamian community in her work by hiring students from the University of the Bahamas as research assistants and having her students present their findings to local student groups while in the field. In the case of ecological research, involving local stakeholders also helps break off neocolonial views and discourses. Negligence of local knowledge and involvement often leads to fundamental gaps in data and to an unsustainable management of practices. Concordia is at the forefront of combining cutting-edge scientific advances with real-world implications, and they strive to include the impacted communities.